Morning, guys. Out here in Dallas, got 2 dumpsters dropped over the weekend, and we are ready to start demoing this house. So I showed you, this is the house. It's all pier and beam. All this stonework, all the driveway. There's both dumpsters here ready to go. A very, very narrow little access here to get to the back. I've got a bunch of trees we had cut down that are laying back over there. You can see the leaves are already turned brown. And then I got to take this big tree out, but I can't get. You can see that fence right there is leaning over. I can barely get the excavator back here. I definitely can't get the trailer in here to haul it out. So we're gonna have to wait for that till the house is gone. And once that house is gone, we'll come back here, and before I take this concrete out, we'll come back and get all those trees out. But yeah, that's the plan. I'm going to scoot these dumpsters around a little bit so I can get some access to here, and I'm going to start chewing off right here, throwing it in the dumpster, and then we'll start laying this brick down on the ground, get out of the way, take these bushes out, and then once we start making us a hole, we'll get in there and start chewing it up. So stick around, this will be a fun one. little quick landscaping, get this area cleared out, because this is where I'm going to start chewing away at it, throwing it in the dumpster. Customer is on his way. He wants to get some video of me starting the demo process, so we're going to sit here and wait. He should be here in about 20 minutes. So we'll be back when we get started chewing this thing up. making some progress. Got all the garage, dining room, the kitchen. I don't know what this little area was. Got all that torn out and filled one dumpster, about halfway full on another. I've got all this brick right here. I'm gonna push all this up here. I'm gonna push that one container up here as close as I can get it so that I can just start loading it off behind it. So yeah, stick around. All right, guys, that's a wrap on day one. Well, I say day one. I've got about, I don't know, four and a half hours, maybe 4 hours into it. Let me turn you around and show you. So all the garage is gone. All the kitchen and this back room's gone. Living room, all the roof is gone. So when I get here tomorrow, I'll start working on the subfloor here. That way I can hop off this concrete slab and just start chewing our way on in. 2 dumpsters are full and ready to be picked up. So yeah, I am out of here for today. We'll stick around. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace.